Track is hot, track is hot. Race 2, four-wheel drive short course heat 2 will be up next.
All right, 3:15 down, 3:40 to go. We are at the halfway point. Garland 11 seconds over second place. Swofford, Massey 2.3 seconds behind him in the 3. Holcomb 1 second for Massey in the 4. So we could see something shake up and change between Swofford, and he rolls it over coming up to the bunny hop. Massey goes by to the 2. Holcomb right there waiting to pounce and capitalize and bump his way up from the B to the A. Swofford and Holcomb over the front side double together, both sticking to landing and landing rubber side down. Now over the center double, 2, 3, and 4. Across the back, Holcomb sending an airmail. Goes for a tumble, unfortunately. He tried, ladies and gentlemen. He just did not stick the landing. So now Swofford got some breathing room and can focus on Massey, who's right in front of him for that second and all-important bump spot. Massey over the front side double, Swofford over the front side double, sticking the landing. Holcomb now over the front side double. They're all separated by about 2.5 seconds. Careful after the front side double, it is cleared. 4:40 down, 2:20 to go. Massey trying to get away from Swofford. Swofford says not so fast. 1.4 seconds separate those two. These guys are friends off the track and opponents on it. I wonder if there's a Dr. Pepper on the line as they both send it across the backside double and stick the landing. Last time it was 1.4, this time 1.6, so Massey getting a little bit of room away from Swofford, not much, as they go over the front side double. Thank you very much for letting them go. All the while, Leighton, Big Whip, and Sergio continue to battle it out for the 5 spot. Oh no, Swofford gets stuck on a pipe and is able to get himself freed and try to now close the gap back up to Massey. It was 1.6, this time it's 4.3 with 1:10 left to go. Does Swofford have enough time to mount a charge and close the gap to Massey? We shall see. Behind you, Mason, behind you. One more. 6 down, 52 seconds left to go. 4.3 seconds separated them last time by. This time by Swofford crossing the loop. It is 5.3 seconds, so Massey getting a little bit more distance as Swofford rolls it over, unfortunately.